Hi traveler. Welcome to my channel. This time we will visit Sembalun Long Rest Area, the starting point of the Sembalun Mountain Marathon event 2025. It is located at Sembalun Long, Sembalun Village, Sembalun Subdistrict, East Lombok, Indonesia. Sembalun Mountain Marathon, a trail running event held in Lombok, Indonesia, from October 25 to 26, 2025. It divided for 3 classes. First, the 7-kilometer class is contained on a road track with an elevation gain of approximately 90 meters, and the time limit is 2 hours. Second, the 21-kilometer class is contained on a mixed road and trail track with an elevation gain of approximately 690 meters, and the time limit is 6 hours. Lastly, the 42-kilometer class is contained on a trail track with an elevation gain of approximately 2,140 meters, and the time limit is 12 hours. The Sembalun Mountain Marathon has a scenic route that takes you through highland terrain around Sembalun, rolling hills, savannah grasslands, and agricultural fields, all with the backdrop of Mount Rinjani. Finally, you can combine the race with exploring the region, local culture, and natural beauty of Sembalun.
Calling me royalty.
See you for the next trip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.